Yo, welcome back guys. Once again, Rihan Rosailo na. Welcome po sa aking vlog. Good evening guys. Wanaplex this evening. So guys, yan po ang ating dining table. So guys, this dining table capacity of 6-seater guys. Yes. Meron na siyang 4 na pirasong single chair. Yan. And dito sa kabilang side naman guys, meron tayong single bench. So both side, single bench. Tapos 4 na pirasong single chair. Yan, with backrest. And yung ating pong top, one piece po yan guys. Yung ating top. One piece wood, acacia wood guys. So yan, napakatibay. At talagang malakas makamayaman ang haspe ng acacia guys. So sa mga interesado sa ating dining table or gusto nyo magpagawa ng any woodworks project, PM as a Rihan Rosailo na at agad ko kayong re-replyan guys sa inyong katanungan. Basta woodworks and Luna Woodworks yan. Please subscribe, comment, like, and share this video. Bye! Salute!